Today I will take you on an extraordinary journey to one of the most beautiful places in Albania, Blue Eye. It is located in southern Albania, near the city of Saranda. It is a water source that is part of the Syri Kaltër National Park. The Blue Eye is a water source with an exceptionally intense blue color. The water flowing from the deep source creates characteristic, crystal-clear pools. The exact depth of the Blue Eye is not fully known, but it reaches over 50 meters. However, this is only an approximate value because so far it has not been possible to penetrate this place to the very bottom. Due to the strong current, the divers taking measurements were not able to go lower, which is extremely dangerous due to the very strong and variable ascending current. The water source is fed by underground streams, and its exact origin is not fully understood, which adds to its mystery. The water temperature is around 10 degrees Celsius all year round, which makes swimming here a real challenge, but also an unforgettable experience. There are toilets and a small restaurant near the spring. At the very mouth of the water, there is a platform from which some people jump into the water in the summer, which is officially forbidden. If you are planning to visit Albania, Blue Eye is a place you cannot miss. It is a real treasure of this country.